Tarık, we are at the Busworld Turkey show. Just take us through the 4 buses that you have displayed quickly from your right to the left.
First of all, I would like to thank you for your coming actually. As of today we are in the Busworld Istanbul show, which is very important and one of the milestone of the public transportation bus segment actually. So today we have 4 products actually today. One of them is the CNG buses. And also we have launched recently our 12-meter EV bus, also 18-meter EV bus, and also 12-meter diesel buses. As BMC, we have been producing the public transportation, the buses in diesel, CNG, EV, and also for the hydrogen buses. Also now we are working and under R&D studies actually, which upcoming years we're gonna launch these actually.
How are your manufacturing adapting to the needs of Turkey market as well as the European market?
Actually, our main factory is in the Izmir city, actually, which we have almost overall our facility is more than 1 million square meter. Actually, we have different lines, one for the domestic market and one for completely the export market actually, because each market in each market in exports they have their own production, so we customize our products as per the customer requirement actually.
And in terms of the Pro City and the other variants, which one is the priority for Turkey and which one is for the European market?
Yeah, actually for the Turkey is mainly for the diesel buses actually, for the 12 and 18 meter. But if we look at the export business, especially for the new e-mobility driven era, mainly we sell our the CNG environmental product and also EV bus as well. So for the export market, we more focus for environmental product.
And what is your target, near to medium term goal?
Actually, our target is to be in one of the pioneer manufacturing company along with the backup service with the other European manufacturing company, because as you know that Turkey is one of the production base for the city buses and also bus segment. So as BMC side, we are a big part of this and we are really proud of that. And as I mentioned in my presentation that we got a best design award from the Germany in 2026 for the best design. So these are also our succeed that we like to share with you.
You have your different products for different mobility needs, CNG, diesel. What about electric platform? Actually, what is the long-term EV platform plan?
Yes, for the electric platform, as I told you, since 1 year actually we have been exporting our products, and now quite well, especially last 10 months. Also, we made a demo tour in whole Europe in 15 countries, and the feedback, generally was really nice, really good, and the people, they like the product, they like the new platform, and they like the new face family line actually on the face of the buses. So we are really proud of that. Of course, everybody, they need to improve themselves by day actually, and also we got all the feedback, and then we improve these. We improve our products with these feedback, and then we will give the best product to our customers.
Wonderful. Pleasure speaking to you, Tarık. All the best.
Our pleasure. Thank you so much. Thank you.